My name is Barb Hush. I work for the Door County Library at the Forestville branch in Forestville, Wisconsin. And I like to bring crafts for your children to do. And today what I have in mind is a fall craft, and it is an apple. And through the years we've done many crafts here, and I have several different apples that we have created. So I will just show you the various types that you can do with your children. This one is just a red apple shaped like this. And then we cut out some leaves like that. And we gave it a little paper stem. And we created a face with googly eyes. And we put these for the little apple cheeks. And we drew a mouth, and then we put some little sparkly sequins on the mouth just to make it really pop. So that's one of them, and actually that's my favorite. And then there's also this one, and all this was a piece of white paper like this that we cut out of a I think it was a coloring book actually. And or you could just draw your own shape though, your own apple shape with a stem and a leaf. And then we glued on all these little pieces of crepe paper like this, and then we colored in the stem here and here. You could use construction paper, cut out a stem, glue it on top of this shape that you have here from your coloring book. And the same thing with the leaf. You could just cut one out and glue it right on top, or you could just color your picture in, whatever you want to do. We just happened to glue all little collage crepe paper on top of it, tissue paper. You can use construction paper too, red construction paper, if that's what you have on hand. And the whole idea is just to do an apple craft. You could also decorate just this plain apple any way you wanted, so that your child could do a fall apple craft. Again, this one's my favorite, but this is also good, and I think this one takes them longer to do. So if you want them to have a project that takes a little while, have them do this one, because then they have to glue all these little pieces on here. So I hope you liked our craft, and stop by and get our monthly grab and go crafts here at the Forestville Library whenever you're in the area, whenever we're open. So happy crafting. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you. Bye.